This is the video that I have wanted to post. I have tried to film it multiple times and I can't ever seem to film it and get it right. But I think this is the time that I'm actually going to film it and upload it regardless of the circumstances. So here we go.
I just had to let you know you're mine.
I am starting my channel over. After doing a lot of thinking and soul searching, and after my hiatus of just this channel in general, I needed to take time for myself. I was not in a good place mentally for this. I was not in a good place physically to start a YouTube channel, but I did anyway because I wanted to do it. I've wanted to do it for a while, so it's what I'm doing. From this moment forward, my channel will be 100% content that I feel comfortable putting out and that I feel happy with. I was putting up videos that I thought people would like to see and that it wasn't really what I wanted to do, what I wanted to film 24/7. I love fashion and makeup and I love being real. I love venting my feelings and knowing there are some people out there who understand what I'm talking about. So my coffee talks will be coming back and I'm very excited about it because that's something that I really miss doing. And I know a lot of people didn't like seeing it, but it's my channel. And also a note, if you come to my channel to bully me or if you are negative in any way, you will be blocked. It's simple as that. You will be blocked. There's no other way around it. I also stopped making videos because I kept getting bullied about it and I was just tired of it and I didn't want to deal with it. And I really lost myself and I really lost what I love to do. So I am done listening to people who don't have any say-so in my life. And so now I am going to film and do what I want to do on this channel. So if you like that, you can stay, you can click subscribe right down below. If you don't like that, there's an X somewhere up at the top. Click it. On here, I can be genuinely myself. I don't have to put on a persona around people. I'm interested in getting that out and being genuine and being happy because happiness is what drives everything. I don't know. I'm just thinking that maybe it's time for me to do what's best for me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that's on the outside. Thank God. Ooh. Okay. Long story short, there was a bee outside my window. I spent all today trying to kill a bee. If you don't follow me on Snapchat, I'll post it right here so you can, yeah, you can see that. Long story short, my channel is coming back. I'm very excited that my channel is coming back. I have a lot of things that I personally want to film and I personally want to put up. Even if it is just for me, if I'm the only one that watches it, that's completely fine for me. And if I'm not, okay. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.